Power electronics allow improving the efficiency of electricity consumption, optimizing the costs in energy-intensive systems ranging from industrial equipment to electric vehicles. The reliable operation of such systems directly depends on the quality of their components, housings, heat exchange and cooling elements. These components shall ensure efficient heat dissipation at high energy density, which encourages engineers to introduce new designs and materials with enhanced thermal conductivity and low thermal expansion coefficient. Silicon carbide is the perfect choice for such applications. This compound features exceptional hardness, heat resistance, chemical inertness and high thermal conductivity. Silicon carbide is available in two main types, conductive and semi-insulating. Conductive silicon carbide is used for manufacturing of power semiconductors that operate at high temperatures and voltages, while semi-insulating silicon carbide is used in high-frequency electronics and microwave devices. The special value of silicon carbide crystals is that they are able to ensure efficient heat dissipation in power modules due to their low temperature coefficient of linear expansion and high thermal conductivity, which is critical to miniaturization and increased reliability of power electronics. However, the process of producing silicon carbide micropowders for further use in the manufacture of high-tech ceramics or abrasives is fraught with serious technological difficulties. First, the excessive hardness of silicon carbide, inferior to that of diamond only, makes it very difficult to grind to micron or submicron sizes. Second, non-uniform particle size is often noticed after conventional grinding of silicon carbide due to its high brittleness and low impact strength. Third, when using the conventional methods of mechanical crushing, the surface of particles often has microcracks and damage that adversely affect further processing and the quality of final product. In view of the above, GlobeCore has developed a technology for silicon carbide micropowder production, which is implemented in AVSp vortex layer machines. A vortex layer is generated in the reaction chamber when exposed to an electromagnetic field wherein ferromagnetic elements rotate at a high speed and create microzones of ultra-high local energy. This principle of operation ensures mechanical grinding, as well as intensive dispersion, activation, and uniform processing of each silicon carbide particle, contributing to better diffusion and enhanced characteristics of the final material. The process takes a few seconds to complete and ensures fine grinding with a high homogeneity. Having a capacity of up to 50 kg per hour and a low power consumption, less than 10 kilowatts, the AVSp machine allows for fast and cost-effective production of high-quality micropowder raw materials with minimum power consumption. The machines can be easily integrated into the existing production lines and require no significant changes to the infrastructure. The quality of silicon carbide micropowder produced by means of AVSp vortex layer machine allows forming a denser ceramic material with minimum porosity, which is important when creating the structural components for power electronics. This technology is particularly promising for creating the heat exchange substrates based on composite materials, where silicon carbide particles perform a reinforcing function, reducing the temperature coefficient of linear expansion and increasing the thermal conductivity of the base. And how do you address the task of silicon carbide micropowder production? Please share this experience in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore technology and equipment for silicon carbide grinding can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.